I have given up bleach. This girl right here who wears white everywhere I go. I will say one thing about the difference between, I feel like, Cascade pods and just the natural pods in general. Like, I love that they tell you how to use their products, and I love it. Like, it works. My clothes are clean. Hello, beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. This isn't supposed to be the video that is up today. However, I have had so many requests for this video, and so we're gonna talk about Blueland today. We will do planning for 2024 next week. I promise I've got you covered, so come back if that is what you are here for. But if you are here for Blueland review, talking about toxin load, all that jazz, then you've made it to the right place. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into today's video. All right, so if you guys have been with me for a little while, you guys know I have psoriatic arthritis. I am constantly on a journey to finding new healthy ways to reduce inflammation in my body, to feel good in my body, to be able to move my body. And for the last 15 years, been looking for answers and ways to help my body reduce inflammation and feel better, okay? In the beginning of 2023, I discovered Dr. Mindy Pelz, and she talks all things fasting and living a fasting lifestyle. And a message that came back over and over and over again was like, if you're not losing belly fat, it could be your toxin load, toxin load, toxin load, toxin load. Like, your perfume carries a toxin load, the cleaning products you use have a toxin load, your laundry detergent, your fabric softener, like, it's all causing hormone mimickers on your body and can cause you to hold weight on your stomach, particularly around your stomach on your lower abs. Why? Because that is where our body stores estrogen and cortisol, okay? Both hormones. And when we are constantly in contact with products and cleaners and perfumes and soaps and shampoos and all of these different things on a daily basis, if they are carrying hormone mimickers like fragrance and parabens, it's causing estrogen hormone mimickers, which can cause weight loss resistance and can cause belly fat, okay? Now, I have just been curious because I did lots of different fasting for like 6-8 months, and I could not lose the weight, right? And so I kept hearing hormone mimickers, hormone blockers, all of this stuff, okay? Back in August, I tried Branch Basics. If you guys have not seen that review video, I will list it above and have it in the description box down below for you guys, so you guys can check that out, get my thoughts on that. And I was not satisfied with Branch Basics, and if you guys want like the in-depth, you go watch those videos. So I kept looking, okay? Particularly for a dishwasher pod or a dishwasher detergent that did not have like a plastic case on it, because I'm also trying to reduce like my plastic use. Yes, I get it. I do still have things that are plastic. You guys have told me this, I know. I'm just doing my very best to reduce the plastic anywhere I can, okay? And so a brand that kept popping up for me was Blueland, okay? Now, I was a little hesitant about purchasing Blueland because I had purchased Branch Basics with this like huge optimism of this is gonna be amazing, and it did not do well for me. And I was a little bummed. I wasted a lot of money, kind of drag. Nevertheless, I was like, I need dishwasher pods. I cannot go back to Cascades. I found Blueland, ordered them, they came. The dishwasher pods are amazing, okay? And I love them. So in my very first order with Blueland, I ordered the dishwasher pods and a set of the laundry, because I also was not a fan of the laundry products from Branch Basics, but I know that I wanted to move away from using bleach, using Tide, using these things that I'm putting on my body every single day, that we're trying to reduce that contact, okay? And so I got some laundry stuff and I got the dishwasher pods. I love them, okay? So for the first time, the dishwasher pods wash away clean. My dishes are clean. They don't smell like Cascade. Like the Cascade ones, my daughter has like a plastic cup that she has been drinking out of since she was little. You know, it's one of those like little munchkin cups where they like bite on it and whatever. Anyway, it's a plastic cup. I could not wash her plastic cup in the dishwasher with a Cascade pod because it would just retain the soap, and it tasted disgusting. It tasted like soap. It was gross. So for 5 years, I've washed her cup by hand. And I was curious, like they say that this washes away clean. It does not leave that like burnt, soapy taste in your mouth. So I tried it. And guess what? I can finally put my daughter's cup on the top shelf and have it clean, and it's lovely. It does not taste like soap. It is clean. It does the job. Like, it's amazing. The only thing I will say is that when my dishwasher is really full, the dishes don't always get all the way clean on the top rack. So I just have to know, like, I can't overfill my dishwasher with these pods, and that's probably a good thing. You know what I'm saying? I will say one thing about the difference between, I feel like, Cascade pods and just the natural pods in general is my dishes are soaking wet when I use natural pods versus the Cascade pods. I feel like it helps dry the dishes, which I never thought about before because I've used Cascade like my entire life, or like for a very, very long time. So I have to make sure to open my dishwasher once it's like run its full course. I open it up and I let them air dry while I'm making breakfast, and then I, wipe them down and put them away. Okay, so then let's quickly talk about the laundry stuff. Okay, you guys, I love it so much that on Black Friday, I bought a year's worth of the Oxy Boost and the laundry tablets. Okay, you guys, they are so good. I have given up bleach. This girl right here who wears white everywhere I go with a 5-year-old and 2 big dogs, I don't use bleach anymore. I will use Shout stain remover every once in a while on Liv's clothes when I don't have time to soak them, but I will show you guys, okay? Liv has some really bad grass stains on her knees. They were playing kitties in the field at school the other day, but I'll show you guys how I soak her clothes to get those big stains out of her clothes. But you know what? We don't always have time. You know what I mean? Like, we're busy people. You know what I'm saying? So every once in a while, I will use Shout on her, like, really bad, messy stains on her shirts, because I'm not a stain. I don't like stains. But soaking them works with the Oxy Boost. We love it. It's great. But what I love, this little guy came in with all of the laundry stuff, and it just made it really easy. It was like 2 tablets for a heavy load and like 1 to 2 things of the Oxy Boost. Now, I always do big loads of laundry because mama don't got time for like all these little loads of laundry. I just wash big loads of laundry. So I do 2 scoops of the Oxy Boost and 2 tablets. My clothes are clean. They smell amazing. I love it. The stains come out. Is it as good as using bleach? No, of course not. But like, I've just changed my expectations, and yeah, so I really love it. It works really, really well. Now, I have not jumped into their like cleaning system, like for the bathrooms and everything, for a few reasons. One, I still have the Branch Basics, and I just need to use up what I have because I don't want to waste anything. And 2, I'm just a little nervous because the Branch Basics is not great. So when I purchased the year's worth of the Oxy Boost, I signed up for the subscription of the dishwasher tablets just because I don't want to keep a bunch of bags underneath my sink. And I just figure every 3 months they'll send me a pack or 2, which is amazing. We love that. I got the toilet cleaner tablets. You guys, they smell like heaven. I love lemongrass. Okay, I am an esthetician. In my treatment room, in my diffuser, every single day, lemongrass. Like the most delicious, gorgeous, clean, fresh scent that you'll ever have. These toilet bowl tablets smell amazing. No more like bleach grossness. You take 1 little tablet, you drop it in the toilet, it fizzes, it cleans, it does its thing, and then you scrub the toilet brush around. I love it. Okay, it has been a game changer in my bathroom. I love that. I also purchased their scrubbies, and I love them. They're a little bit funky and a little bit awkward because the top is not plastic, like the scrubby part of it. It's natural fibers, and so it's not plastic. So I feel like it just like, it keeps growing, and it's hard to, like, I like to fold my scrubby over and like scrub like this, like a, you know what I'm saying? Like fold it in half and scrub like that. And it's just different. You know what I mean? Like you just gotta do a little bit different, but I really like it. I love that it's not plastic. They say that if you wanna sanitize it, like I love that they tell you how to use their products and how to clean their products. So they're like, if you wanna sanitize your sponge, just pop it in the dishwasher and like clean it in the dishwasher. So I've done that a couple times. It comes out beautiful. I love it. It came in a 6-pack and I'm still only on one because, you know what I mean? Like how long does it take to go through a sponge? Quite a while. So far so good, okay? I love them. Blueland has been a smash hit. Everything I've tried, I have really enjoyed. I cannot wait to repurchase the bathroom tablets because the toilet tablets smell divine. Like I just want to leave them in the glass jar with the lid open and have my bathroom smell amazing. Anyway, everything I've tried from Blueland so far is so great. As soon as I'm done with the Branch Basics concentrate, I will be purchasing the cleaning products from Blueland. It looks like they come in tablets and then you dissolve them in water, which I love that because when they ship them in paper bags that can be recycled, and I like that. And I also already have the glass jars that I purchased from Branch Basics because I wanted something that was going to be sustainable and nice and heavy duty, and I really like the glass packaging. The squirters are okay. They're not like the best, but I do enjoy the glass bottles. So I'm hoping to just get like some cleaning tablets and play around with that. I can show you guys that when I get them, or if I get them, if that's something that you guys are interested in. Yes. So if you are interested in trying a clean brand, no fragrance, I do have the Clear Skies in the Oxy Boost, which if you're going full no fragrance, they do have a no fragrance option. I love fragrance, okay? It hurts my soul that I can't wear perfume or that I'm not wearing perfume right now. I do use the Clear Skies that has a fragrance to it. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, you're totally wanting to get rid of fragrance, don't get that one. Use the fragrance-free one. Love, 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 love. I could shout the praises of Blueland. I love them so much. Everything, like I said, everything I've tried, just try them. They're so great. And I think they've got some really great deals going on right now. That is it for today's Blueland review, you guys. I hope that this was helpful for you. If you guys have tried Blueland, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want to try Blueland, let me know in the comments down below. I will link all of the products that I use, and if there are any discount codes, I will let you guys know down below. You guys have given me a list of cleaning products, which I have, so I'm gonna try out some of those guys too, I promise, and see what we like. I do tend to be a creature of habit, and when I find something that I like, I stick to it. But I digress. I will try new things for you guys. Let me know if this was helpful for you. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to answer them for you. What is your reason for wanting to use clean products? Let us know in the comments down below. Go say hello in the comments down below. I want to say hello to you, and let's like create the community. Let's build this community, support each other, and spread so much love and positivity this holiday season. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.